body, I'm a Christmas tree. And me.
Hi, so it's Friday, I'm home. I'm gonna go get ready. Well, not really get ready. I'm gonna go shower and then come back and do my makeup, and then me and Fuffy are gonna go out to go eat. Yes, I'm gonna get like an activity for go do. On this little Friday, we're just gonna go eat and roam the streets and do what we do best, which is act like a damn fool. I'm joking. No, but have fun. So yeah, I'm gonna go see my booby. Say I'm gonna go bed, and then I'm someday, and then I'll check in with you guys for a little bit. But I did just upload the vlog, so y'all go check out the vlog. And yeah, I have to come back and talk to him about the GoFundMe thing, because as you can see towards the ending of the vlog, I mentioned something about GoFundMe, and you're probably lost because somehow when I was putting up the Christmas tree, y'all missed the first part of it when I was putting it up. And I didn't realize when my camera dropped the first time that it deleted the footage. So when I was talking about the whole GoFundMe thing or whatever the case may be, y'all didn't get to see that part. So as I said, after I finish doing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come back and then I'll explain that to you guys. Okay. Hey, hey guys, I don't know why I always cough, but anyways, I'm making my way downtown, walking fast, faces past, and I'm homebound. Well, not homebound, but I'm food bound. About to go link up with my baby Fuffy, so I hope you guys enjoy. So my ass is current. Oh wait, I turned it around like an idiot. But anyways, I'm waiting for the train. Yeah, I'm at the train station. This is what Toronto's train stations, well, some of them look like. Okay, so I just missed my train. My train is coming in 1 minute. See it there? 1 minute. And Fuffy is already on her train from her end. So, oh. So it's that time. And I think I'm at the right, I hope I'm at the right end. If not, it's gonna be a long hella walk, but whatever. Cross. I will see you guys when I see Fuffy, which should be in like, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
The next station is Royal York.
11, 12,
Royal York
13,
Station.
14, 15, 16 subway stops, which is equivalent to a couple minutes. But some stations take longer to reach to other stations than others. Like, for instance, we're almost at the next station, and for like some stations you're like underground for like, so I mean you're underground. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I come back. See her already.
I made it before you.
I bet you this is your train.
No,
Really?
Like 2 trains passed by.
Girl, bye, whatever. You know it. You know I had to make my entrance on the train and off the train, so it took a little longer. My entrance. The vote. They already know what's going on.
Really?
Look at that ass though. Ooh. Did you put stuffing in there?
No.
Wow. Shit. Oh my god. Why? Why? This door's emptier.
I think it is. I think.
Listen.
I didn't check.
We might have made it on the right train, maybe not. The back shots, eh? Okay, yeah, we're on the right side. Yeah, I get back shot. Every day she dress up and go up on Snapchat, WhatsApp, Snap WhatsApp. Yeah, because I'm fucking fat. We're just talking about this, like. Anyways, we're soon come people. We're reach on the. I was about to say the bus. We're reach on the train. The man wants to know where you are. Where are you?
Crazy people are strong, okay? It doesn't matter how small they are, they're fucking strong. Don't fuck with crazy people.
And I have you on my arm? Oh my god, I ain't scared of nobody, girl. You? Shoot.
Yeah, I got these.
You with your big old tough hand them? But we're downtown. Ross.
When do I ever come down here with you?
We never really come
No,
downtown.
we only come and like we leave.
Yeah, exactly. But I wanted to explore today.
So we're gonna eat.
We're gonna eat. I don't even know what I want. I haven't been to Jackasser's in so long.
This is for
The vlog. This is for Vlogmas. Daily vlogs every day. Imperial Pub Library and Lounge. Show you guys a tour of downtown.
explore while it's getting fucking
Cold, right? Why
That
not?
don't make no sense.
Why not?
That don't make no sense.
Girl, we explore. We're still alive. We have to take a burrito boys. I feel like I want a burrito boys instead.
What are you trying to do, my nigga?
No, I'm sitting down. I'm sitting down
Is he sitting down in the warm?
Yeah, I'm sitting down in the
Or
warmth.
you want to stand up where everybody itch up, itch up, itch up?
He's still calling for help.
He's not calling for help. He's saying, where are you?
Yeah, he's calling for help.
The police was right there. What the fuck? You asking for help and the police was there.
Anyways, guys, we're at Jackasser's. And to signify that you are here, you have to take advantage.
To signify
Yes.
life is green, by the way, because things die in this country when it's winter time.
She's like anti-winter. Hey. Hey.
December 1st. Like, holy guy.
Yes, bitch. It's lit. Oh God. This is the menu. I have no idea what I want to eat. So let me go and look at the menu and come back. It's cute. Mingzy. That's so cute.
Thank you.
Ross, every time I fucking do my eyebrows, I always end up rubbing them off. But this is the drink that I got. It's the Virgin Blue Raspberry. I just feel like this place especially, like their alcoholic beverages are not alcoholic and it's so expensive. So like no. But then they have this thing which is only $3 unless I just can't read. But it's spiked iceberg slushies. Yeah, so I'm gonna try one for $3. Why not? And then I think for my food, I'm gonna get I'm gonna get the quesadilla and we're gonna split the lobster and crab dip, I think, or nachos. So yeah, one of them. But yeah. So yeah, okay, yeah, that is what we are going to do. That's what we're going to do. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. My drink came. Ooh. Do you know what you're getting? We're still trying to figure it out, you guys. Anyways, you guys, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out and come back because obviously we need to get our lives together, right? Yeah. So. No, okay, you guys. So can you see me? You can see me, okay? Yeah. So I was telling Puffy, right? Like I'm a sweetheart. I was telling Day today too. Like when it comes to certain things in life, you could die tomorrow. But when you see something you want, don't worry about anything. You know, just lock your eye and tap your card, swipe it, spin your pin, because you know the hand.
But if you tap it, you don't gotta pin it.
No, I know. I'm saying for those people who don't have tap, because I don't think America is up to the time yet.
They're not?
I don't think so.
Lies you tell.
I don't think they have tap. If they do, great. I think they have like Apple Pay or something. Like they don't have. Like,
oh yeah, Apple Pay isn't that the newer to like tap though? So
Anyways,
you're not up to the time.
Thank you, goodies. I will tap and I lock my eye and I tap. Yeah. And
I'm done. Take your
the consequences later because you only have one life to live. Like at the end of the day, I can't make things stress me out. I just have to live. Like, lock me eye and tap.
Tap,
and
tap, tap.
Lock me eye and tap. on
You only do that for spending?
I do that on food. I do that on clothes. I do that on my hair. I
In
do
the
that on my
room.
nails. Okay? If you don't feel good, you're not gonna, it's just, you're just not gonna, you know what I mean? Like, in order to feel
Tell
good, you
them.
gotta take care of yourself. If
Tell
you don't
them.
take care of yourself, you're not gonna feel good. So, as
Dead
bad
off.
as things may be, God never gives you anything more than you can handle. So, just
Hello.
know that whatever it is that you're going through, girl, it's
Zoe
this too
talk.
shall pass. Amen. Can I
Zoe
get an
talk.
amen?
Amen,
This
sister.
too shall pass.
Amen, sister.
Yes. Wherever you are now, you will
Preach
not be
it.
there tomorrow, next week, next year.
Preach it.
No, you're never gonna be in the same spot for too long. So don't worry about the goodies and good gems.
And this is the end of Zoe talk.
Now back to what we're gonna order. We figured it out. So we're both gonna get fajitas. She's gonna get the shrimp. I'm gonna get the chicken. Oh my god! You know what? I've never tried. I've never tried bruschetta.
You've never tried bruschetta?
Never. I've never tried bruschetta. Never tried it.
That's something like everybody's tried, isn't it?
I've never tried it.
Like nothing amazing, but I guess I feel like
Top and me already top. Come here, I get my lobster and crab dip.
Oh yeah, you did tap.
Yes, goodie, I tap. Thank you. And she's gonna get the calamari.
You gotta tap.
I mean, I have a change, but might be able to find $12 in my purse. Good ear. You have to lock your eye and tap.
In this case, tap.
Tap. Double tap. I'm feeling a little happy. We can tap a little bit.
I got money in the bank. Mama, no,
Talk truth. Is that why you said speak, but I said talk truth?
Yeah.
Are you dumb? Speak truth? Talk truth.
Speak truth.
Talk truth.
We should do that.
Say it with me. Say talk. Say it now.
You don't want to do it?
Say it now.
Talk
Say
truth.
talk truth. Say talk truth.
I'm sorry. Talk the truth.
Yes. Okay.
You're such a smart ass. I like
Yeah, we're telling on her.
No, you don't have to apologize.
But I'm so fucking excited. Yep. Proof. Evidence. Yep. Dash cam, body cam. Bitch, this smells so fucking good. Okay, I'm gonna eat it.
What if I bring somebody else? What if I bring somebody else? Like, I'm ready for my food.
Oh my god. We demolished that shit. Like, that shit, so good. I feel like I should buy one to take home. That's how good that shit was. The pita bread was bomb. But this, oh god. So good. Lobster and crab. I feel like I have niggeritis all right now. And then when these fajitas come, they're gonna be so sizzling. Oh, it's so extra, but they're so freaking good. And like the sour cream, I can taste it. Oh my god. Sour cream and the cheese. Oh, and I hate when they take away the menu. Like, why are you taking it away from me? Did I tell you I was done? Still cooking, bruh.
Okay, I don't want to touch it, but I'm
Fuck, these calamari came, like,
I
bruh.
forgot about them, but they came dead ass. It's so good.
I told you to get a lot.
But it's so good. I'm glad I got them. I don't know who to eat this. There's some seasoning, right?
Today is not good. It's not a lick.
The calamari is better. And the lobster dip was better. We might as well just trade this and call it.
Not a lick today. The chicken doesn't even look cooked. Maybe it's just the lighting. Or maybe it's my lipstick.
Not
Cheers.
Cooked, but it's... That's what happens when you ain't going to work.
You guys, Tiffany nearly just dead. Wait. We have to take the elevator. But yo, Tiffany just nearly died on escalator.
I was gonna die.
You were gonna die because if your face flew down, you were either gonna fly down or your head was gonna go over the banister. This girl was going on the escalator that was coming up She stepped on it.
But I wasn't even paying attention.
She stepped on it. That's the problem. She stepped on it. Like, I was like, and then these guys were like, oh, you, what did they say? You're misleading?
They were coming this way.
No, that was funny. This tree is hella ugly. Like, this looks like some sort of an animal. Ooh. Yeah, like it looks like one of those creatures. That's what I was looking for. Like mammoth. Home time, guys. We tap, 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 tap a lot today. Toodaloos. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll probably end the vlog when I get home, but that's it for the night out series. So checking with you guys a little bit later, okay? Oh my gosh, you guys, both of our trains are coming in
1 minute.
1 minute. 1 whole minute. Oh my god, my train is here. I'll see you on the weekend. No, bye. Love you. Huh? Oh yeah, because I'll get there before you. Good night. Just kidding. Soon come. My pretty little tree. Anyways, guys, I'm home. So this is where I'm going to end the vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm sorry I didn't get to explain the whole GoFundMe thing. I will explain it tomorrow. My girl is tired. Okay? Love you guys. See you guys tomorrow.
Just like when Christmas a come.